Good morning, everyone. So, today we got this particular question. Before starting with the video, I just want to share that I have recently started my OA series. So, the link is in the description. That it's a very good playlist if you want to prepare for internships and placement. It's comprises of very good questions. And do check it out and do let me know the feedback of the series, how much you are liking it. Okay, so let's start with today's question. This question is not medium, it's like not easy, it's like beginner, beginner question. Just the formulation, how beautifully they can formulate it. I just loved it. Means maybe most of you was thinking about, oh, it's a difficult question. It's not. I just write 4 lines of code. Okay. So that's a disclaimer. Okay. Try to think again if you want. So always try to read the question properly. Alice and Bob are playing a game on a string. Okay. You're given a string, and Alice and Bob will take turns playing the following game where Alice starts first. On Alice's turn, she has to remove a non-empty substring from S that contain an odd number of vowels. Okay. On Bob's turn, he has to remove a non-empty substring that contain even number of vowels. Okay. The first player who cannot make a move on their turn loses the game. We assume that both Alice and Bob play optimally. Return true if Alice wins the game and false otherwise. The vowels are this. First of all, whenever you see this question, right, you should ensure two, three things. Firstly, the letters are all lowercase. Okay, fine. That means there is no uppercase. There could be an H cases, right? So yeah, that we ensured. Fine. Other thing, you should always check it out. Okay, it's already mentioned non-empty. Non-empty is important keyword because we don't know that, let's say there's no vowels in the string. That's even, right? So that's also even zero. But they say non-empty. So that means, okay, we have to care about only non-empty substring. Okay. Now the third important thing, which I also missed initially, is the question is easy, but I just misunderstood it that it says non-empty substring that contains odd number of vowels. It need not to be a continuous substring of vowels only. No, it's not like that. It could be like that. A, C, C, A. This is also fine. It's an even number of vowels. They want, you can pick a substring and then just calculate how many vowels are into it. And that makes the question actually more easy. That's what it is. So, yeah. I hope you understood the question. Let me also show you an example. So, here it was LEETCODER. And so, let's say Ally starts a game. She will pick the code till here she picks the string, and then what's left with Bob is the ER. So he cannot do anything. Why? Because there are no even number of strings. He cannot remove anything. So okay, fine. Maybe he can remove. He cannot remove anything because uh he can remove R. Maybe you can say that he can remove R. Then what happens is the E. He will remove everything completely, and that's fine, right? So I hope, do you get the intuition something from here that okay, what we can do? Okay, whenever you see these kind of questions, right, odd, even, you should get some hint. Substring they are saying. Okay, okay, what is the possible cases? What is the possible cases that, let's say, the total number of vowels, we count the total number of vowels, let's say they comes out to be odd. What happens? Are you able to think what I can do this in this situation? Total number of vowels. Just pick the entire string, the entire string in one go, right? Over Alice once, right? Right, right. That makes sense. That makes sense. Interestingly, if it is even, that's more easy. That's again easy, right? How it is easy? Just pick, let's say this is x minus one vowel substring, and leave one vowel in substring, one vowel. remains. And again, when the Bob turns come, he will not be able to just remove the substring which contain one vowel. And again, Alice turns come, Alice turn come, remove. She removes it. Boom. Again, she won, right? Because she can remove the entire remaining string, and she won again. It's not that Bob cannot remove anything. He can remove R. As I said, it does not have. It's a even number of vowels, zero. But we will not be able to remove the series because it contains odd number of vowel. Anyway, okay. Okay. This is the question. That means, is it always alive ones? No. Always when there is an edge case. Can you think of the edge case? Can you think of the edge case? The edge case is mentioned in the examples itself. But yeah, let's say there are zero number of vowels. So allies cannot play itself, right? There are no vowels only. There are no allies cannot play. Then what happens? Pop comes, remove entire string, right? That means game over, pop once. So I cannot play, right? The next time it can play. That's the entire intuition, the thought process of the question. That's why always try to think before you start jumping off writing the code. Try to grasp it, try to make two, three examples, because when these kind of odd even cases comes, right? The question is very, very easy, right? So let's see the solution. As I already explained, very simple solution. Just write a is vowel function, make a counter. I just increase the count. If the count is become greater than zero, that means in any case, even it is odd, even it is even, alias wants, that means I have to return true. And if it is zero, then obviously I need to return false. So yeah, do let me know if you like the concept and like the video. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new to the channel, and also do check it out the OA series. There's tremendous new OA questions that will prepare you specifically for placements and internship. Right. So see you in the next video.